G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you the Megabass Vibration-X Vatalion. The Megabass Vibration-X Vatalion is a slow sinking lure that is thin but has a high body that is 71mm long and weighs around 11 grams. The Megabass Vibration-X Vatalion is designed to be a shallow water subsurface lure, which produces a lifelike shimmering action. Also, the body segments contact each other on the retrieve to produce a sound that effectively draws fish in from a distance. A stop-start retrieve is best, and if you give the Vibration-X Vatalion a twitch of the rod tip, it will produce a 240-degree turn, giving the look of an injured and distressed bait fish. There's an awesome range of colours to choose from, and species like bass, yellowbelly, Murray cod, Barramundi and Mangrove Jack just can't resist this lure, and I'm sure there'll be more species to add to that list. For more information on the Megabass Vibration-X Vatalion, go to motackle.com.au.